kia ho ka hanei pipi a I kea manawa o kia ho ka ulula a hoi. Aia ka nawa ola a me ka papa mo o ka honua. I loko o ka laka. Aia ka laka soti laka one laka lomi a me ka laka paloni. I loko ka laka o aia ka inisaka ka lao ka ea ka bai ka minerala a me ka pa'u koko kumaha. Aia ka laka ula ula ele ele ka o ka ahuna nina a me ka makua I ka mai.
Ka loko ka laka aia ka hakuno lima pake na ka ko haku. Iwa ka lua pake, iwa ka loko na lima pake na ka mai a me ke a wano. Hiki ka lepo ke, hiki ka puaku ke lori I ka lepo me ke alu. Ke pā mai ka uai ke ka hoaliri I a ka puhaku hui I ka lepo. Loko ka lepo aia ka nitrate, phosphorus, a me ka potassium. Kokua ia ka nitrate I ke kalo ke kula au, kokua ia ka phosphorus I ngā āai mepa a kokua ia ka potassium I ka olomeku. A'ali I nana I ke me kekahi kumula a me ka a'ali. He iwa ka hokimalima ka pua I ka nui o ke kumula au a e aha I hokimalima ka pua I ka nui o ka a'ali. Ua ula ka aku e ele na āhina hina ke kala o ka ilila au. Kekahi a I hā iniha ka loihi o ka laka o ka lau. O ma'o ma'o na lau a he kahi a I e hā iniha na mua. Koa. Wa ke koi kana lau oia I o ma ka wa I a me haole I la lau. A loa ka lau nana I ke me kekahi mahina ka hea ki la ka whaia. O ko'a ka ulu ana na hoa mana mokupuni I ke ole. Loa ke koa I kekahi mea nitrogen fixing bacteria me ka fungus a hokua ia ka fungus I ke kumula au I ka hawi ana ia I ka phosphorus a me na mahua ala e ane. Mamane, mana keia kumula au me ka la'auli I kananima hokua I ka loihi ula ma poiana la'au. E ano a I noni lihi lau e polu hapa walu ali I lua iniha ka lomi I ka lau. A e kahi hapaha I e kahi iniha ka nui ka lau. Makemake keia pua e hulu ma ko olu. O keia pua he ʻōʻehu pua I kona genus make I ka ʻiʻiwi keia pua no kona palena ʻōma'o ma'o keʻokeʻo a poni ke kala o ke pua. Keia kekahi o nā mea kanu 15 ma ke anu. ʻOiʻa, nana keia kumula au ke kekahi kumula au me ka la'auli. Āhina hina ia ka ʻiwi la'au. A e kahi ai lua, kekahi hapa lua I molu iniha ka lau. A e kahi hapaha I lua, kahi hapaha ka nui o ka lau. Na he lau malino keia a ʻōma'o ma'o I kaika maluna. Nana ka ʻanoʻano ka ʻohia like me ka pixie dust a he hele ka liko mai ka ʻōma'o ma'o I ka ula ula I ka ʻakala. Makemake keia pua e lua e ma ka makana. Ke hele mākua pea hou, kona mākua e imi ka ulu. Imi mākua e paku I ka inaka ke kanau. Kona mākua e imi ko nao I ke kia o ke kula au. Imi mākua ke lama mea me ka chate. Ka hope o ke lama mea o Ohima koi flapo me la mula au e ono I na mau. Ke hoi mākoi na hana mākoi me imi I ka kiʻiki e ona hana mākoi I ka hoi ke ulapo no ka imi ana I ka phosphorus, nitrogen, a me ka potassium. Hope o ke lau, lawe mākoi I ka ike pili au kaumalima ka lapa.
Ma ka pakuhi e kahi loa'a ka pilina ulu nei, ka pilina ole ulu a me ka a'ohe pilina.
Ua hana mākoi ko makemakika no ka imi ana I na kiʻiki o na kumula au. A ka ʻaʻole like ko makemakika me nā hui e aʻe. ʻAʻole mākoi loa nui I nā lako e hana I kēia mau mea. Ua ohi mākoi ka ike pili au.
Kea ka pakuhi no ka mamane a ka aina ka o Hawaii koa a me ka ʻaʻole. Aia ka pakuhi I ka pilina ʻole, ʻaʻole ulu nei na mea kanu, no ka mea ʻaʻole loaʻa I na lako kukulu a me kekahi manawa ulu maikaʻi na mea. Pakuhi o ka ʻohiʻa a loaʻa ka pilina ulu nei.
I kēia makahiki a e makemako e hana ai aku ka maikaʻi makemake a hana I nā lako maikaʻi like me ke kainamo. Pono mākou e hana I nā lako maikaʻi maopopo pehea e hoʻohana ia ka lako a me ka makemakika. Hiki a mākou ke hoʻomaikaʻi, hoʻohana maikaʻi manawa makemakika. Hiki a mākou maopopo he aha ka pilina makemakika I ko mākou mana.
Makemake e ʻimi mākou ke kanaka epakema lapa no ka mea ʻaʻole mākou mākou I ke uku.
You talked a lot about the soil and its importance and how you measured it. What did you find? What kind of results did you find with the soil?
Most of the times it was low, like potassium. The highest would be the potassium, and the phosphorus was like sometimes medium but mostly low, and the nitrate was low.
Did you compare the soils under the different species? And did you see any differences in the soils based on the species?
Yeah, like under the Ohapai tree and the Ohia, there's like more phosphorus.
I was wondering, when you gave your presentation, I wasn't very clear on what your Would you say that your question was how does the soil affect the trees in terms of how they grow? That was your question. That's a great question.
Following that, did you notice anything different in the soil of the Hawaii compared to the other species? That might be
How long of a period was it when you guys collected your first data to your last set of data, your last measurements?
From the beginning of the school year.
So about how many months did you guys go out? Could you guys explain or define the x and the y-axis on that graph?
The x-axis is the things that pass, and the y-axis is how high the tree grows. Well, we did our EKPD wrong. This is down here because we did our EKPD to find the angle of the tree. We used the clinometer the wrong way. So that's what we did.
What does that mean, the tree that is down there?
That's how high it was going.
Does that mean that's how high it's growing? If it's in the set negative numbers, that's how high?
Yeah, we did wrong.
What is that not telling them? Even though you did it wrong. That's how you know you did it wrong.
That's how high the tree is. And how much days we were there. That's not growing.
I have just another question, so you might want to put your thinking hats on. What other things might affect how a tree grows besides the soil?
The weather.
Great. Any other ideas?
The birds that are there.
Again, there's no right answer or wrong answer. Just I want you to give me your thoughts and your observations.
In your improvements, you said by building better tools. Have you thought of types of tools, or why do you think the tool that you were using wasn't working?
The clinometer. We use it to count the angle, and that's what we did.
Okay. So the better tools, building better tools, what kind of tools have you thought of that you could use for the next time?
Is there, kind of to follow up with that, is there, you guys measured the height of the tree, yeah, to measure growth. Is there something else that you could measure the tree to measure how it's growing? I mean, can it grow tall, but how else can a tree grow? Try to transect. Yeah, try to transect.
It's like a tape measure, but bigger.
What did you folks enjoy about the project?
When we did our soil samples.
Why?
It's like when you do it, it's like good science.
When you guys had to collect your soil samples, what were kind of the layers that you would go through underneath the tree? Was there,
We would do the same thing with boys that's going to come after us. Like, we have to, like, they'll take their leaves and then we'll take, like, the soil from underneath.
did you guys notice any difference between the different species in those kind of layers? Was there more leaf litter in one, or maybe, what's that other grass that's up there a lot? Was there a lot of grass in one area or under more tree?
Random on my tree as well. Nice.
How far did you guys dig down to get your soil sample?
Had a Ziploc bag, and then we take a ruler and we put it about 3 inches in the draw line. So,
the species combined, or just one
It's
species?
just for the OPL.
Okay. And so you do different graph for each species?
If there's different correlations.
You don't even show us all the graphs, but you made a different graph for each species?
Could you go through them and because we couldn't see the it's really really tiny the thing at the top. So that one is the
This is for OPL and these are for they're like all the same graph because they're not in the same collection. They don't have a collection. Like, so between these days, this is how time goes. Was it?
So the x-axis is time.
Days.
Days.
I know that your graphs aren't reading the way that you were thinking they would because the way that you did the calculations wasn't accurate. What would you have expected for the different species? What would those graphs look like if the calculations or the measurements came that correct?
Or they will have a positive collection. That means the
Do you think any of those species would have grown faster than the others? Have faster growth rates?
maybe that.
Maybe the other Hawaii would grow better than the Africans. Maybe taking a date like grew a little bit.
So you mentioned nutrients at the beginning of your presentation. Did you end up testing any of those? Like, did you take any samples of testing if there was different amounts of phosphorus or nitrogen or? And then what do like the colors indicate then?
This is for the nitrogen, so most of the times the nitrogen would be low. Sometimes the phosphorus would be like medium, but the phosphorus never went high, and this is the potassium is always high. like the koa because the koa had lots of roots, and most of that is because it has something with fungus that's called nitrogen fixing bacteria.